Today we are making the almighty Ofe Owerri. This soup is delicious and it is very easy to make. So let's begin. You need 2 vegetables. First is the okazi leaf. This is the same one you use to cook your afang soup. Alright, so you're going to wash it, pick it and cut it into thin slices just like this. You want it to be really thin. The second vegetable is called ugu or pumpkin leaf. I have washed and picked it. I'm going to slice it now and set aside. Alright, so this soup is known to be cooked with plenty of meat and fish. Hence, they say it is reserved for the rich according to the Owerri people. But please use any meat and fish that your pocket can afford, and trust me, it will still be delicious. So I have some goat meat, stockfish, cow skin. I'm going to add some snail later. I'm going to now season with some seasoning, onion and dry pepper. Allow this to steam for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, you're going to now add some water. Now at this point, I'm going to now introduce these snails. Cover and allow this to cook until it is about 80% done. Right here, I adjusted with a bit of salt before I continued cooking. Over here, I have some cocoyam which have been cooking for a while now. We are going to thicken this soup with it. So you want to peel and blend it really smoothly. I added some palm oil before blending. You may choose to pound this as well. Blend or pound your pepper and crayfish and set aside. So at this point, I go check on the meat and fish. Let me also mention that I added my dry fish from the beginning because it was quite tough. But depending on how tough your fish is, you may choose to add it now. So what I just added is the blended crayfish and pepper. Cover and bring that to a boil. After about 7 minutes, you're going to now introduce the blended cocoyam and palm oil. Cover for it to properly dissolve and integrate into the soup. After a few minutes, look how beautiful it is. So at this point, I'm going to give this a gentle stir, and trust me, the aroma here is nose blinding. Alright, so at this point, we're going to now add the vegetables. First thing is the okazi vegetable, followed by the ugu. Once you add it, you're going to stir gently and then cover for it to simmer for a few minutes. Today's hug is for Kelly Vivian watching from Delta State. I'm glad you love the recipes. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can send you a hug in my next video. 3 minutes later, this is what we have. Our soup is looking so delicious and it is ready. The aroma at this point was truly nose blinding. So good. Pair this with your apple, pounded yam. I don't know if it goes well with a bap, but semo. It is delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye.